Hey guys, welcome back once again. In this video we're going to look at how you add cost centers to a customer's account. It's really simple. We'll do that manually, and then we'll also show you how you can import those values. So again, from the admin panel, click Start up to Customer Manager. We go ahead and search for the demo account that we've been using, which is Steve Jobs. Click through on the customer ID and then over to the Cost Center tab. So from here, two ways to do it. We can add a new cost center manually, or we can import cost centers en masse. I'm going to show you how both options work. So let's start by adding a new cost center. So the only information that's required to create a cost center is code and description. So we say this is code 9000 description test cost center. Okay. You can also budget by cost center. So if you've looked at the users video, how you can add users to a customer's account, and you've seen how that you can budget per user, and you can decide, this person can spend $5,000 a month if they go over that, send to the CFO. Well, you have a very similar set of controls against the cost center. To be honest, only a limited number of people will actually use these controls, but you can set a cost center start date, a budget value, and a renewal period. So $5,000 a month, $50,000 a month, starting on the 22nd. Now again, we don't have to set these up. I'm just showing you that we can. All that's required is cost center code and description. So if we go ahead and save, that's the cost center being added. Now I'm going to show you how you can import those cost centers. So of course we do that by clicking the Import Cost Centers tab. Once again, use the downloadable import template. Don't take any shortcuts. It's really important to use our template. I've got one prepared, so if I just bring that up and show you it, we can talk very briefly about what's in the template. So again, just code, description, super simple. I've got 3 set up here. So we save this file as an XLS file. Go back to the website, click on the Browse button, navigate to the Cost Center template, which is this one here, Customer Cost Centers. Click Upload. Again, just takes a few seconds, comes back, 3 new cost centers inserted, and instead of having 1 cost center, we now have 4. So super simple. Let's see now how that's translated on the front end. So back to the front end, we want to log in as Steve. We're already logged in. Add something to the shopping cart. Okay, let's add a few things actually. Proceed to checkout, select our addresses, select the shipping and the payment option. At the very last stage, you're now going to be presented with the option to apply a cost center to each line in the shopping cart. So cost center is just a reporting value, and at the end of the quarter or the end of the year or the month, the CFO type login can come back into the web store and say, okay, give me everything that was allocated to cost center 1007, and that's going to produce a report. So cost centers are only there, they serve a reporting function. That's what they do. So I'm going to apply this product to cost center sales and this product to cost center marketing. Of course, I can leave a line reference on each product. Just put some test data in there. Add a purchase order number and click complete my order, and you're done. So when you view the customer's order on the back end of the software, which is done on the order manager screen, you're going to see the order that's just been placed, and of course it's going to bring through the cost center values and the line reference values. They'll also come through on the order confirmation email that the customer receives as well. So there you go, cost centers, super simple. That's how you add them on the back end, use them on the front end. They purely serve as a reporting function. That one's wrapped. We'll see you on the next video.